right, so yeah, here's what we're gonna be doing. I got an intro, but this is it. These are what they come in. All right, and there's 12 regular and 3 special, and we're gonna do like a unboxing run. I have 7 of them. I'm trying to get the last, what is that, 5, and then maybe the 3 specials. I don't know if I can get the specials or not. This is what they come in. It's enclosed. You don't know which one you're getting. Called the Mystery Mini. It's by Funko, the same people that bring you the Pops. Same ones. Now they got Mystery Minis. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to show you the ones I got, and then we're going to start opening, and hopefully I get a new one or something. All right, stand by. Yeah, so here's the website with the kind of a list on them, and you can see the ones in the red I already have. So we got the Grief Karga, got lucky on him. We got the IG-11, not 88. 88's from the regular Star Wars. Oh yeah, see the bobbleheads? All right, and then we got the Cull, I think it is. And then we got the regular Baby Yoda, the child as it's called. And then he got the child with the cup. I got that one. And then I got, which is next, the regular Mandalorian, him just standing by himself with his pistol drawn, got his rifle on the back, pretty cool. And then the last one I have is the one y'all always see if I'm streaming at work, that I tap the bubble head, is this one right here. He's flying with the child. So that's the list. So we're gonna open these boxes. I have 10 of them, and we're hoping to get one of these ones that's not red. Maybe the Kara, maybe one of the special ones. Incinerator Trooper, sleeping. He's using the Force, the child here. Okay, so keep watching this video, because in a minute I'm gonna say a special word, and the first 20 people that go to back to my Miko followers, and send me a message with a special word in it, I'm going to send you a gift, because that means you watched most of the video. So thank you. Here we go. Let's start unboxing. Okay, our first one. Here we go. I got my big knife. Don't worry, I'm not going to cut myself. We'll be careful. We're going to unbox some of these, and we're going to see which one I get. It'd be nice to know. See, look, even inside it comes in a black bag, so you still don't know. You can't cheat. So here we go. I got another. Oh, flying with the child like it works. So I have this one already, but this is a good one. I'm glad to get another one. So we'll put him right there for now. And I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, here's the box of all the ones I have to open. So we will do them all. We're on a run. We're on a run to get the collection. Okay, next one. Next one. Another black box. Bag, I mean. Oh, which one is it? Which one is it? The child. I got this one already. It's okay. I already gave away like 6 of these to people, my friends. It's all right. So here goes the next one. I should have had some Star Wars music playing, but that might have been copyright infringement, so I don't want to do that. There we go. And drum roll, kind of hoping to get a new one. And nope, got this one already. Boom, boom, boom. Got this one. Extras. Read all about it. All right, let's see what's next. Come on. So they do this on purpose. They probably made a lot of these and only a few of some of them, so you got to keep buying them. And my dumb ass, being the big kid that I am, I just keep buying and buying. But we'll see. We will see. We're on a Star Wars Mandalorian Mystery Mini run. Yes, we got one we didn't have. Nice. So we got to put this one over here so we can check it off. Put her up here. Awesome. We got one. Big win today. I know I'm goofy, but it's all right. I get excited for the wrong things sometimes. Well, not wrong to me anyway. It's good. Oh, don't forget that special word coming up. First 20. First 20. Watch the video and hear the special word. Get a gift. See, look. Got the child again. It's okay. We got 5 more to go. 5 more to go. Oh, that did hurt. Stuck my fucking mouse pad, made it stick me. It's all right. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm bleeding. It'll be all right. I gotta watch my mouse pad. It made me stick myself. We got this one already too. Good bobble hole. Oh, yep. I like the Mandalorian ones though. Okay. Alright, what's next? Oop. Put the knife down. Be careful with the mouse pad, Jason. You can poke yourself. Here we go. Hope some of y'all ain't skittish with the little blood. Yeah, paper cut. It's like a paper cut. Very sharp knife, that's why. That means I keep my knife sharp. And we already got this one, but that's the second time I got this one, so not too many of those. Okay. Alright, well the code word is, for all y'all still watching, Band-Aid. B-A-N-D-A-I-D. Band-Aid. First 20 on my Miko. Put that in there. We're good. Let's get back to opening. And being careful. 3 left. We don't want to cut ourselves no more. Okay. There's the trash box. Let's go. Last 3. Let's hope for at least one more new one. Please. So if you know the code word, go to Miko and send it to me in a message. First 20. Alright. You can also send me a message about being more careful with my sharp knife. Oh, got her twice. Never had her once, but now we got her twice. Still bleeding a little bit. Okay, almost done. Alright. And 2 more for the run. The Mystery Mini run. We'll be more safe. Okay. The paper cuts are the worst ones because they're hard to stop bleeding. Alright, but we're alright. Don't worry about that. Oh, another Mando. That's like 5 of him. So, last one for this run. Hoping for another new one. Hoping. Because as of now, we've only got 1 new one out of 10. A bunch of repeats. Yes, it worked out good. Yes, we didn't have this one or this one. So out of the 10, we got 2 new ones. It's good. Awesome. Okay, we will do this again when I get some more in. We will get all of them. We're going to get this collection complete. Okay. Alrighty then. All right, that's it for the unboxing run of mystery minis for Star Wars Mandalorian. I picked up 2 new ones today, so we're happy about that. Got injured in the video, so that's how much I put my life online to try to make good videos. So, but I'm all right. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And remember, the first 20 that comment the secret word on Miko gets a gift. All right, I'll see y'all later. Have a good one. Thank you.